Zdravo! Borut Petrlin here, Top Sheet Photography. Today's vlog will be about my patrons, or about thank you gifts for my patrons. I'm receiving a huge support from you, so thank you so much. And I made these carbon prints for you guys, just for you. But before I will send those, but before these packages are going to the post, but before these packages will.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
But before these packages will be shipped, let me tell you a story.
I think this road will be my subject. The sun just got, under the clouds, but it will open. So I'm looking for I will take a Technorama 6x17. So I want to make like a long shot. Something like this. Imagine this will be cropped and this will be cropped, like just very thin, long. I think this is a good shot. Maybe a little bit higher. Yeah, I have to have more on the foreground. That's great. That's great. Yeah, that's it. This is the shot. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see, but okay, you can see what I'm framing a bit, yeah? So it starts with a really bright edge there, and then it finishes there. So the idea is that on this side there will be a bright spot on the left side, and then the road will lead into infinity, there. Because it's foggy, it's very important that I have some references that are black, This is black. So that's why I'm kind of close to this trees. I need to have some trees in foreground. If that would be my first tree, that's already gray. So, to have like a good print, you need a contrast. And this is a bright spot, and this is dark spot. And then you have this milkiness all around, the richness of tonality. Exposure for 400 ISO is 1 second f22. Vince is pretty upset, but it's what, 10:30 p.m. And I left my cameras for up the hill, and I have to pick them up. It's I was recording time lapse. Okay, I will take my Bear pepper spray. Such a good guard dog. She's amazing. Really the best guard dog I ever had. And I had this is my 5th German Shepherd and 6th dog. How beautiful is that? Look at that. You see, this open sky really makes a difference because the light on this tree, the main tree, is really nice. And I will make carbon prints for my patrons. But more about that in the darkroom.
Yeah, you can tell it was really a lot of work. I really want to make something special for my patrons. I have 150 patrons, and out of everybody who paid, who support me in a lifetime, what, 100 or more euros is getting one of these prints. If you want to buy this print from my shop, you will get it, you can buy it, but it's 200 euros. On Black Friday it will be discount. It will be a big discount, but only that 24 hours, okay? So anyway, you can buy it or you can be my supporter. I have a guy from Japan. He's donating, he's supporting me every month for, I don't know, $3, but he is my supporter for what? 4 years already? Wait a minute, this is actually a long time. So he's getting a print too, to Japan, to Belarus, to Costa Rica. Thank you guys from the United States, and of course whole Europe, and also from Slovenia. I have 1 or 2 people. So thank you so much, and stop.